Yo, I got this in the mail and I don't know what it is. I don't actually think it's a fidget, but it looks like it's an international package. So just on the off chance that it's a fidget, I'm gonna open it on camera for you guys. What is this? It is a fidget. What the hell? Ant design? You never told me you were selling anything. This is cool. Look at that. What the hell? I've got 2 of these. Push. Is this a knife or something? Cat, I love you, but I'm doing something. Okay. I feel like I'm on like in an interrogation room with the light just shining on me. This must be something new from Ant Design. I got some stuff stuck on my hands. The push. Do I have 2 of them? Oh man. Got some foam in there. That is tight as hell. Okay, I'm gonna open from the other end and push as I pull. Okay. I don't wanna break the box, bro. Oh. This is the new CP version? Is this Zirc? Oh my god, bro. Came with some extra magnets? Oh, dude. So what is the other one? Tie? This is the S-Nano V2. Oh, the version 2 Nano. Oh, this one comes right out. It's got the same innards in there. Wow, oh my god. This is like a stone wash. And that's like, oh, bro. These feel insane. Okay, I gotta turn the camera around. Yo, here it is. This is the S-Nano V2. So they improved on the design of the first S-Nano, which is kind of like a CP3. Okay, it's like a CP3 version type of thing. I mean, same type of fidget. So this was the Mackie Studios CP3. I brought it out to kind of like compare and contrast because this one was modeled kind of similar to that. Wow, and there's even nice holder for it. Okay, so we've got a stone-washed titanium and then a polished Zirc. Oh my god, these things feel amazing. Do they go all the way down? Oh, they do. Oh my god. Wow. This stops over here, doesn't go all the way down, and it separates. These are screwed in together, right? Yes. Yeah, there's a post. So I'm curious. It comes with a torque and extra magnets. I guess are they stronger magnets or lighter magnets? Wow. These feel amazing. I actually think they feel perfect as is. Holy hell. But I suppose I should take one apart. Oh my god, this feels so good. That texture. Oh my god. And this feels kind of coarse because it's stone washed. Okay, so should we take one apart and see what it looks like? So I'll show you the regular CP3. All the magnets were glued in and they kind of just ran on these tracks. So maybe I should use my screwdriver set here. Okay, I got it out. What? What the hell? There's a spring back there. Holy shit. This might be one of those times where I'm not very happy I took this shit apart. What is that? Is that like a dampener? Holy shit. Okay. How does it come apart? That's where the screw goes in. I mean the spring. Alright, well, fuck. There's like this. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. This looks like some kind of a dampener or something. Shit. Alright. This one stayed in here. Holy hell. It's always against my best judgment to open these things up, but when they come with extra shit, it makes you want to. I'm missing a freaking... What the hell? Hold on. I hate losing magnets. Okay, the default setup is 3 rows of magnets on each side. So that's what those 4 extra magnets are that they send in, to put 4 on each side. So I went ahead and I did it so we can compare how it feels. So there's 4 rows of magnets on each side instead of 3. You put the little spring in there, and you get this little baby, and you put it right on top, and you hold it down, and you get your little screw. Where's my little thingy? Oh, here. Okay. So 4 rows on each side. Oh, come on, bitch. Okay. All right, so this one still has 3. What? Feels the same. Feels like the magnets are stronger on this one. That's what it is. I'll tell you, I like it better this way. Yeah, for sure. It must be like a hybrid setup type. Wow, that feels so good. Must be like they polka dot it. So let's take a look at these pouches. Oh yes. Look at that. I think that's leather. Wow. Yes. Oh, do you have a lighter, sir? No. This is an S-Nano V2. Yes. I've got it in Stonewash Tie and Zirc. Anyway, these things are amazing. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And I'm also going to send these out for review. But yeah, I would recommend keeping the initial setup because this is too strong for my liking. This feels perfect. Wow. All right. There she have it, Ant Design. Thank you guys for watching.